welcome to Awake TV. So today I want to talk about how can you prepare yourself for new 2022. So those of you who want to transform yourself fast in 2022 kickstart, let's have a free strategy call to transform yourself fast in 2022. Let's have a free diagnostic call with me and see what we can do about it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the bell button and subscribe so you won't miss any other new episode. So, how can you transform yourself in 2022? Transforming yourself is very important, and we transform ourselves daily, but New Year is one of the great time to set the intention to transform yourself. So step number one is you have to set the intention. Setting intention is the way you proclaim universe, your higher self, your spiritual team, this is what you are going to do. It is very important to set the intention always. Number two, it is very important to identify what do you want to change. If you don't know what you want to change and you only have a big idea, you are not going to have effective transformation. Number three, after you identify and get the clarity on what do you want to transform yourself, work on, write it down to see what you can do about it on your own to transform. So maybe, let's say, if you want to get more confidence within yourself, put confidence. I want confidence. And then put in journal, what do you think you can do to increase your confidence? Write down. And after you do free-flowing writing and read it and decide which part you think you can do daily. Okay? So maybe some of you feel like, okay, I want to hit the gym and lose 10 pounds. If that is one of the reasons to gain your confidence, you join the gym and then go to the gym like 3 times per week or something. Start making action. Some people tell me it's important to just surrender and let God handle it. But you need to take an action. We still live in 4D. Okay? It's not 5D yet. So your action is required. Take this habit of change as your daily routine. Making your habit, this new change in the daily routine is very important because a lot of people make a New Year's resolution and do this and do that, but it doesn't become a habit and then it won't stick to it. Therefore, it won't become within you and transforming you because you kind of quitting after 4 days. It has to become a habit. And number 4, enjoy the process. Enjoying the process is very important because unless you're enjoying it, it's very difficult for you to continue this new habit because it's going to feel like chore. And nobody likes chore, right? If you enjoy doing the things, you keep on doing it. I go to pole dancing class. I love it. I'm not that good at it. But every single time you go, you see some kind of improvement. So you keep on going because you enjoy it. Not because you're great at it, It's a slow steps. But it's okay. As long as you enjoy it, you will love it. You will love the process. And that's the most important thing. Okay. So those of you If we want to have a rapid transformation, let's have a free diagnostic call and see what we can do about it. And the link is in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and I see you guys next time. Bye!